We kept hearing some wailing but just couldn't find out where it was coming from. This was right after a minor landslide hit our area due to heavy rainfalls. When the rain subsided a bit, we started hearing the mute sound. It wasn't very loud, but we knew it was there, and it sounded like cries of help. After nearly 3 days, we just couldn't take it any longer, so we had to investigate more closely and find out what these wails and whimpers were. We dug a little, and there she was beneath all the mud. This poor dog had just been completely submerged and trapped inside. To our surprise, she also had 2 newborn puppies with her. They were shivering cold and completely covered in mud. One of the workers washed them with some water and used a cloth to clean them up. In the meantime, the mother dog was anxiously waiting nearby for her tiny pups to recover. Once both of the newborn pups were clean, he ended up wrapping them in the fabric to let them warm up. Afterwards, we all arranged a small shelter for the mother dog and her puppies below a mobile tower to ensure they do not get wet due to the rains anymore. They have regained their health and made a full recovery in no time, and we also provide them with foods and water regularly. We were all just so amused how these dogs managed to survive for days beneath the mud without suffocating. But we are just so ecstatic that we were able to help them on time.